Hello everyone, it's a bright day we've got and a very good day to share knowledge with us. Today we came up with a topic. How to write a script. In writing a script, not just any script but a good one too, we need to be well informed, in order to avoid lollygagging. Here are some basic steps we need to follow in writing a good script. Knowing what a script is. Reading good scripts. Write a logline. Write a synopsis. Develop characters. Write a plot. Know the basics. Write a script. Knowing what a script is. This starts with a simple definition, by defining the word script. In knowing the definition you know what it's all about and how to go about it. A script is a written text of a play, film, or broadcast. The literature further defined it as a piece of writing in form of a drama. A script must have everything: visuals, audio, behavior, and mostly dialogue. Anybody writing a script must be able to give the actors or readers a sense of what your script is about. Visuals. They should be able to see what the character sees. Audio. The speech should be heard. The tone in their voices should be indicated. Example: in a grumpy tone she said to him, "Felicia, don't ever come to my house." Behavior. The body language of your character should be known. Example: crosses her legs and places her palm on her soft thighs, while searching his eyes lustfully. Dialogue. A conversation between two people. Your script must also be an interactive one. Reading good scripts. As a writer, you should be able to read and comprehend other writers' work. That is the only way we learn and put them to practice. The search engine has made research easier for us, as we don't need to see one-on-one with good writers before knowing their style. Write a logline. A logline simply means a one-sentence summary or description of a movie. It's a shorter version of a summary. It is very important in starting a script. It will keep in line with your story and make it brief. Example: Black Sun. An era in human existence that is closer to the end of its existence. Everything abstract was proceeding. The only savior was to be a part of the new resolution or face death. Write a synopsis. A synopsis is a longer version of a summary. It entails the major points of your script. It's elaborating your script with its major purpose. In your synopsis you are meant to say more about your characters, the twist, the beats, and the event that points the story as whatever genre is written about. Developing characters. This here is also known as characterization, the giving out of role to specific individuals, but this is different. Here you will tell us the role played by all the characters listed. Development of character is best done in form of a list. Felicia. The very seductive character, often seen multi-playing, from a fighter to a lover, then to a very deceptive person. She plays as a shield to her people, from the wicked plans of the government by wiping away half of civilization. She uses her beauty to blackmail and steal sensitive files that aren't meant for mere citizens. In this story, Felicia is a protagonist. The list keeps going on, till the least of the characters. Write a plot. In scriptwriting, a plot is the main event in a play. It is essential to write out your plot before starting a script. It could either be brief or lengthy, mostly not deviating from the main content of the story. Know the basics. Before you start cooking up the first draft of your script, be aware that your script is going to be a printed document that is 90 to 120 pages long. Written in a readable font. Printed on a white page and made in a spiral bind form. 90 pages means 1 hour of the screenplay, 120 pages means 2 hours of the screenplay. In comedy, it is quite shorter. Write a script. The part we've all been waiting for. Understanding this paragraph means you've been following and skipped none. If you did skip any part, I advise you to go from the start thoroughly. Using script formatting programs means you know the industry standards when it comes to margins and indents. It is good to know the format. The first word on the page should be fade in. The first page is never numbered. Here is a sample of a script. Fade in. Int. Office day. Were all present in the office: Luke, John, and Daniel, seated and waiting patiently for Felicia. Felicia walks in elegant and takes a sit, the chit-chatting slowly dispersed. Luke, though you kept us waiting and not a single sound of apology was heard. Daniel, to Luke, go easy on her, she handles most of the projects we lost out of your incompetence. John looks uninterested in the whole saga. To everyone it almost breaks time. Can we get over with this? Felicia adjusts her sitting posture, clears her throat, and catches gazes from Daniel. To everyone, today is a good day. I have monetary news. The senator has agreed to sponsor our fighters with firearms. John slowly sat erect, begins to clap, and looks at the others in awe. To Felicia, how you work your magic is a mystery. Those are the basics of scriptwriting. We hope you had fun reading, using all these in your techniques, and enjoying a beautiful format of screenplay. Catch you next week with another video on writing. Bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.